Welcome to another YAAD TRODZ, where we trod round YAAD. So today we trodded all the way to Portland to the Boston beach. So I will show you the journey. Jamaica is such a beautiful island, and there's so much here. The landscape, the beaches, the river, all of that, the people, the lifestyle, the culture, and that's what YAAD TRODZ is about. Trodding around YAAD for you to see and experience Jamaica with us. So like, comment, share, subscribe, and trod with us. YAAD TRODZ.
Let us stop for a minute, 'cause our blessings one by one.
On our way to Portland, but we stopped to buy plantain and peanut soup. The peanut soup is not mine, but but this little place here is so peanut porridge.
I didn't mean to frighten you.
It's porridge or soup? Okay. World famous peanut soup.
I wait for an hour with the change.
Yeah, the chin.
Alright.
Here.
So then buy our peanut soup. Me never hear about peanut soup before. Me hear about peanut porridge, but
Have to get everything. It was really good. Really, really good. I think the peanuts had a little extra flavor. And a little crunch too, because it wasn't too soft, you know? Really nice. I recommend 100%.
what the place name again? Friendship Gap?
Yes. Right at that little border of St. Mary and Kingston. I think it's in St. Mary. That was really good, guys.
Up top, you know, real vibes, huh? There we are.
What the area
Fire
name?
ends,
What the area name?
Norwich.
Okay. Alright. Wait. How much you say for them?
$100.
$100.
Yep.
And trust me, I tried it a while ago. I taste and buy. It's
See.
sweet.
Up
It's
top,
sweet.
Up top, hot girls from the ends, huh? Don't wear it. Real weird, don't know. So weird.
What that? Newsberry?
It's good.
And star fruit. See them have star fruit, newsberry.
Let me see if I can find it. Right.
I want a sweet,
Sexy body.
a nice sweet one too, you know.
See.
I love about Jamaica, the fruits.
Listen.
Reach Port Antonio, but I did want to take a video of the mural here. I go across the road still. Yeah, so this is one mural. Welcome to Port Antonio. Reach to the Boston beach. As I said before, it's in Portland. It's so beautiful. So let me show you the steps I'm have to go down. Alright, let me see how it go. I have to watch my step, you know. So if you see say it's shaky, that's because I'm watching my step. Some people that on the beach already. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. Let me show you. I have to watch my step very carefully because I don't want to bruise knees. Alright, have a look at this. Look at this. Yo, this is so beautiful. So this is Tigo, and Tigo has set up some wood fire because some roasting, some cooking are going on. What will I make today?
Some breadfruit,
Breadfruit.
roast plantain,
Whee!
and we have some conk roasting today.
What that?
Conk.
Conk. Let me just disclaimer, I will not be partaking in this food because I know some my diet different, but everybody else will be enjoying their conk. So this is how you set up wood fire on the beach, and a normal something this, you know. Trouble did Nice little beach vibe, roasting on the beach. I walk the beach and I collect him wood, you know, and stick them for building wood fire. Yeah, man. Call me when you're ready for light it up, you know. No, you know him have to, so you have the wood and the stick. So now you have to put some paper. And I'm gonna light the I'm gonna light the paper, you know, to build the wood fire. What that you put on it after? Just some stick?
Yeah. Something easy to catch.
Oh. What you call that right now? No specific.
I just call it brambles.
Okay, okay. It's blazing. Breadfruit time.
Right now, it's time for breadfruit.
Alright, Tigo, Chef Tigo, this, you know. So this is what they call beach wood fire, beach chefings, beach run a boat. Yeah, man, I love it, I love it.
Tasty, man. I'm here at the cigarette instead. We'll take over Tigo work. What's up? Whee! Yes! It's on Big Chef.
So what's the difference between roasting it this way and like me know from where me come from, most of the times them would have put it on the stove or in the oven. What the difference?
From Portland now, they mostly roast it this way with the stick because the stick gives more, like I say, give more flavor to it.
Ah, more flavor.
I don't know, there's something where food parents used to, so I could have stick to that tradition.
Okay. So you cook most things the way or just breadfruit?
Breadfruit. I have my YouTube channel.
Oh.
Tigo, where we most look more like seafoods and hunting and stuff like that, dancing. All different kind of things.
Okay. TV Tigo.
Yeah.
So you can go check out TV Tigo YouTube channel and subscribe on.
See that get white now? So that means it's ready.
Alright, so that's again. Tell me how you know when the breadfruit them soon ready.
But when it's ready, the art that inside of it, let me show you. Inside of this part,
Yeah.
so when you push the knife down in there, it's easy going. It don't take long to go, just easy slide in.
So I don't know if you're not here, but him say when it ready or when it's soon ready, the inside, what them call the heart, you can push your finger in it and it just your finger, the knife, sorry, it will burn up your finger if you try that. So you just put the knife in it and once it go down easy, you know say it ready. But if it's hard to go down, it not ready yet because once the heart's ready, then the rest of it ready.
And that zinc here right now,
Yeah.
here for the coke.
Oh, so the zinc.
And let's qualify a little bit. That zinc for the coke now. That zinc for the coke.
Alright, so the breadfruit almost ready. And then put on the zinc cause conk. Them are gonna make conk. My hand burn up you know.
Right now, plantain. The plantain inside of the fire.
Alright, roast plantain and I ever tried this yet. So the breadfruit and then now we're gonna do some roast plantain. Yo. TV Tigo is a chef, you know. Don't play with him.
You don't want to get the plantain and burn a high fire.
Oh.
And the coal them alone.
Okay, when you hear that, don't put the plantain in the high fire, just put it on the coal alone. So see it there? Yeah. Yeah. Beach vibes. Yeah, trod with us and experience Jamaica, the culture, the lifestyle, the people, the adventures, the landscape, the beaches, the rivers, the food. How we can forget the food? We're going to be putting on the conk now. Conk, for those who don't know, is like sea snail. This is how him have them and him going put them out.
Because them already seasoned and filed up already.
Alright.
So we put them on the zinc right now.
Alright. So Tigo season up him conk already, you know, him not play. So I'm gonna put them on the zinc now over the wood fire with the breadfruit and the roast plantain. So they will be having a feast today. I now have to be eating my my melon and guinea and my fruits, but I am good. I am good, but I still want to show you Jamaica vibe and the lifestyle. Portland really nice, Boston Beach, cooking on the beach and just enjoy time with friends.
Yeah, so that's all the company now. So you can make them just go and play around the fire and go and simmer down, like just like how you steam fish. Just like that.
Alright.
About 10 or 15 minutes and it's all ready.
Yes, yes. waiting to see if the breadfruit ready.
And so the knife we have right now is just a ratchet. So we have to use it.
Right? So it going easy, Tigo?
Yeah.
That mean it
We
ready?
just want a little more steam, you know.
Uh-huh.
So, at this point now, we just keep it near to the fire. We don't keep it in the fire, just make it stay near to the fire.
Oh. Go down easy, it going easy, the knife going easy. So I'm just gonna keep it close to the fire to make it get a little more. Alright. Now you burn up your hand, you know. Right. So how you know when the conk ready now, since you put it in a foil?
Normally just give them,
Or you just time it?
yeah, 15-20 minutes because the conk you can eat it raw.
Oh.
So we just give them 15 to 20 minutes cooking that the season get to cook.
Oh,
And from the season cook, also ready. And remember, low temperature fire.
low temperature fire for the conk. Okay. Yo, Tigo season them conk from today Wednesday and Tigo season them conk from Sunday, so you know them well seasoned. Him not play, you know. It ready, you know.
Yes, so right now it's ready now, so I'll peel it right now.
Alright. Yellow heart? What kind of breadfruit this?
And I don't know, still, but only thing I know it's a breadfruit.
And it tastes good, right?
Yeah.
Alright. How it tastes? Sweet, you know?
It's so good. It's nice and hot. Nice and hot. Some vegan butter would have been lovely. But it's really good.
Yeah, man. Sheffield.
Thank you very much.
On the beach, to the tonka. How it tastes, Crystal?
What did I last night?
I think Conic put it best when he said majestic.
I don't think that's a funny
Majestic. This is what he was referring to.
So to the conk there. Yo, this is so beautiful. end of a very good day in Portland on Boston Beach. Thanks to TVT Go for showing us how him do the roast breadfruit and the roast plantain and roast conk. It was just a really good day. I love the beach. It's clean and nice. The vibe nice. Look at it. Just look at it. Yo, so if you're ever in Portland, you may want to check out Boston Beach. Anyway, YAAD TRODZ with us. But remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Say goodbye. I don't want to leave. I don't want to leave you, Boston Beach, but I have to go. Yo, some steps where we have to climb to leave the beach. Make sure you're fit, you know, because if you're not fit, you can't make them TRODZ ya. Them YAAD TRODZ ya, you can't make them if you're not fit. Watch out. Watch out. So I'm not sure if you can see, but let me try zoom in. This is where the first Boston Jerk Festival used to keep, over the playing field there, but of course it's that bush up here now. But the first ever Boston Jerk Festival, if you know anything, Boston is known for the jerk. So yeah, I don't even know when last time keep Boston Jerk Festival, but yeah, this is where it used to keep.